In this video, we will discuss about phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both. Typically, their meaning is not obvious from the meanings of the individual words themselves. For example, she has always looked down on me. Fighting broke out among a group of 40 men. I will see to the animals. Don't put me off. I am trying to concentrate. The report spelled out the need for more staff. For instance, in the first example, the phrasal verb to look down on someone doesn't mean that you are looking down from a higher place at someone who is below you. It means that you think that you are better than someone. Transitivity. Phrasal verbs can be intransitive, that is, they have no object. For example, we broke up 2 years ago. They set off early to miss the traffic. He pulled up outside the cottage. Phrasal verbs can be transitive too, that is, they can have an object. For example, the police were called to break up the fight. When the door is opened, it sets off an alarm. They pulled the house down and redeveloped the site. Word order. The verb and adverb elements which make up intransitive phrasal verbs are never separated. For example, we broke up 2 years ago. We cannot break up the phrasal verb as we broke 2 years ago up. This is incorrect. The situation is different with transitive verbs, however. If the direct object is a noun, you can say, they pulled the house down. They pulled what? The house. The house is the direct object. They pulled down the house. So, in case of transitive verbs, phrasal verbs can be separated. If the object is a pronoun, such as it, him, her, them, etc., then the object always comes between the verb and the adverb. They pulled it down. They pulled what? It is direct object. They pulled down it. This is incorrect. What are phrasal verbs? A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or adverb which creates a meaning different from the original verb. For example, I ran into my teacher at the movies last night. Run plus into is equal to meet. I ran into. I met my teacher. He ran away when he was 15. Ran plus away means leave home. He left his home when he was 15. Some phrasal verbs are intransitive. An intransitive verb cannot be followed by an object. For example, he suddenly showed up. Show up cannot take an object. Some phrasal verbs are transitive. A transitive verb can be followed by an object. For example, I made up the story. The story is the object of make-up. Some transitive phrasal verbs are separable. The object is placed between the verb and the preposition. For example, I talked my mother into letting me borrow the car. She looked the phone number up. Some transitive phrasal verbs are inseparable. The object is placed after the preposition. For example, I ran into an old friend yesterday. They are looking into the problem. Some transitive phrasal verbs can take an object in both places. For example, I looked the number up in the phone book. I looked up the number in the phone book. Although many phrasal verbs can take an object in both places, you must put the object between the verb and the preposition if the object is a pronoun. For example, I looked the number up in the phone book. I looked up the number in the phone book. I looked it up in the phone book is correct, but I looked up it in the phone book. This is incorrect. Separable phrasal verbs. The object may come after the following phrasal verbs or it may separate the two parts. You have to do this paint job over. You have to do over this paint job. When the object of the following phrasal verb is a pronoun, the two parts of the phrasal verb must be separated. You have to do it over. Here are few more examples. Blow up means explode. The terrorists tried to blow up the railroad station. Bring up. Mention a topic. My mother brought up that little matter of my prison record again. Bring up. Raise children. It isn't easy to bring up children nowadays. Call off means cancel. They called off this afternoon's meeting. Do over. Repeat a job. Do this homework over. Fill out. Complete a form. Fill out this application form and mail it in. Turn down means a lower volume. Your radio is driving me crazy. Please turn it down. Turn down means reject. He applied for a promotion twice this year, but he was turned down both times. Turn up, raise the volume. Grandpa couldn't hear, so he turned up his hearing aid. Turn off, switch off electricity. We turned off the lights before anyone could see us. Turn off means repulse. It was a disgusting movie. It really turned me off. Turn on, switch on the electricity. Turn on the CD player so that we can dance. Use up, exhaust, use completely. The gang members used up all the money and went out to rob some more banks. Inseparable phrasal verbs. Transitive. With the following phrasal verbs, the lexical part of the verb, the part of the phrasal verb that carries the verb meaning, cannot be separated from the prepositions or other parts that accompany it. Who will look after my estate when I am gone? Here are more examples. Call on, meaning ask to recite in class. The teacher called on students in the back row. Call on, visit. The old minister continued to call on his sick parishioners. Get over. Recover from sickness or disappointment. I got over the flu, but I don't know if I will ever get over my broken heart. Go over. Review. The students went over the material before the exam. They should have gone over it twice. Go through. Use up or consume. The country went through most of its coal reserves in 1 year. Did he go through all his money already? Look after, take care of. My mother promised to look after my dog while I was gone. Look into, investigate. The police will look into the possibilities of embezzlement. Run across, find by chance. I ran across my old roommate at the college reunion. Run into, meet. Carlos ran into his English professor in the hallway. Take after, resemble. My son, my second son seems to take after his mother, resembles his mother. Wait on, serve. It seemed strange to see my old boss wait on tables. Phrasal verb list. Here are some common phrasal verbs with meanings and example sentences. Ask somebody out. To invite on a date. Brian asked Judy out to dinner and a movie. Ask around. Ask many people the same question. I asked around but nobody has seen my wallet. Add up to something. Equal. Your purchases add up to $205.32. Back something up. Reserve. You will have to back up your car so that I can get out. Back somebody up. To support. My wife backed me up over my decision to quit my job. Blow up. To explode. The racing car blew up after it crashed into the fence. Blow something up. Add air. We have to blow 15 balloons up for the party. Break down, stop functioning of a vehicle or machine. Our car broke down at the side of the highway in the snowstorm. Break down, to get upset. The woman broke down when the police told her that her son had died. Break something down, divide into smaller parts. Our teacher broke the final project down into three separate parts. Break in, force entry to a building. Somebody broke in last night and stole our stereo. Break into something, enter forcibly. The firemen had to break into the room to rescue the children. Break something in, wear something a few times so that it doesn't look or feel new. I need to break these shoes in before we run next week. Break in, interrupt. The TV station broke in to report the news of the president's death. Break up, end a relationship. My boyfriend and I broke up before I moved to America. Break up, start laughing, informal. The kids just broke up as soon as the clown started talking. Break out, escape. The prisoners broke out of jail when the guards weren't looking. Break out in something. Develop a skin condition. I broke out in a rash after our camping trip. Bring somebody down. Make unhappy. This sad music is bringing me down. Bring somebody up. Raise a child. My grandparents brought me up after my parents died. Bring something up. Start talking about a subject. My mother walks out of the room when my father brings up sports. Bring something up. Vomit. He drank so much that he brought his dinner up in the toilet. Call around. Phone many different people or places. We called around but we weren't able to find the car part we needed. Call somebody back. Return a phone call. I called the company back but the offices were closed for the weekend. Call something off. Cancel. Jason called the wedding off because he wasn't in love with his fiancée. Call on somebody. Ask for an answer or opinion. The professor called on me for question 1. Call on somebody. Visit somebody. We called on you last night but you weren't home. Call somebody up. Phone. Give me your phone number and I will call you up when we are in town. Calm down. Relax after being angry. You are still mad. You need to calm down before you drive the car. Not care for somebody or something. Not like, formal. I don't care for his behavior. Catch up. Get to the same point as somebody else. You will have to run faster than that if you want to catch up with Marty. Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel or airport. We will get the hotel keys when we check in. Check out. Leave a hotel. You have to check out of the hotel before 11 a.m. Check somebody something out. Look at carefully, investigate. The company checks out all new employees. Check out somebody or something. Look at. This is informal. Check out the crazy hair on that guy. Cheer up. Become happier. She cheered up when she heard the good news. Cheer somebody up. Make happier. I brought you some flowers to cheer you up. Chip in. Help. If everyone chips in, we can get the kitchen painted by noon. Clean something up. Tidy, clean. Please clean up your bedroom before you go outside. Come across something. Find unexpectedly. I came across these old photos when I was tidying the closet. Come apart, separate. The top and bottom come apart if you pull hard enough. Come down with something. Become sick. My nephew came down with children pox this weekend. Come forward. Volunteer for a task or to give evidence. The woman came forward with her husband's fingerprints. Come from some place. Originate in. The art of origami comes from Asia. Count on somebody or something. Rely on. I am counting on you to make dinner while I am out. Cross something out. Draw a line through. Please cross out your old address and write your new one. Cut back on something. Consume less. My doctor wants me to cut back on sweets and fatty foods. Cut something down. Make something fall to ground. We had to cut the old tree in our yard down after the storm. Cut in. Interrupt. Your father cut in while I was dancing with your uncle. Cut in. Pull in too closely in front of another vehicle. The bus driver got angry when that car cut in. Cut in. Start operating of an engine or electrical device. The air conditioner cuts in when the temperature gets to 22 degrees centigrades. Cut something off. Remove with something sharp. The doctors cut off his leg because it was severely injured. Cut something off. Stop providing. The phone company cut off our phone because we did not pay the bill. Cut somebody off. Take out of a will. My grandparents cut my father off when he remarried. Cut something out. Remove part of something, usually with scissors and paper. I cut this ad out of the newspaper. Do somebody or something over. Beat up, ransack, informal. He is lucky to be alive. His shop was done over by a street gang. Do something over. Do again. My teacher wants me to do my essay over because she doesn't like my topic. Do away with something. Discard. It is time to do away with all of these old text records. Do something up. Fasten, close. Do your coat up before you go outside. It is snowing. Set something up. Arrange or organize. Our boss set a meeting up with the president of the company. Set somebody up. Trick or trap. The police set up the car thief by using a hidden camera. Shop around. Compare prices. I want to shop around a little before I decide on these boots. Show off. Act extra special for people watching, usually boastfully. He always shows off on his skateboard. Sleep over. Stay somewhere for the night. Informal. You should sleep over tonight if the weather is too bad to drive home. Sort something out. Organize or resolve a problem. We need to sort the bills out before the first of the month. Stick to something. Continue doing something or limit yourself to one particular thing. You will lose weight if you stick to the diet. Switch something off. Stop the energy flow, turn off. The light is too bright. Could you switch it off? Switch something on. Start the energy flow, turn on. We heard the news as soon as we switched on the car radio. Take after somebody. Resemble a family member. I take after my mother. We are both impatient. Take something apart. Purposely break into pieces. He took the car brakes apart and found the problem. Take something back. Return an item. I have to take our new TV back because it doesn't work. Take off. Start to fly. My plane takes off in 5 minutes. Take something off. Remove something, usually clothing. Take off your socks and shoes and come in the lake. Take something out, remove from a place or thing. Can you take the garbage out to the street for me? Take somebody out. Pay for somebody to go somewhere with you. My grandparents took us out for dinner and a movie. Tear something up. Rip into pieces. I tore up my ex-boyfriend's letters and gave them back to him. Think back. Remember, often plus to, sometimes often plus on. When I think back on my youth, I wish I had studied harder. Think something over, consider. I will have to think this job offer over before I make my final decision. Throw something away, dispose of. We threw our old furniture away when we won the lottery. Turn something down. Decrease the volume or strength, heat, light, etc. Please turn the TV down while the guests are here. Turn something down. Refuse. I turned the job down because I don't want to move. Turn something off. Stop the energy flow. Switch off. Your mother wants you to turn the TV off and come for dinner. Turn something on. Start the energy switch on. It's too dark in here. Let's turn some lights on. Turn something up. Increase the volume or strength, heat, light, etc. Can you turn the music up? This is my favorite song. Turn up. Appear suddenly. Our cat turned up after we put posters up all over the neighborhood. Try something on. Sample clothing. I'm going to try these jeans on, but I don't think they will fit. Try something out. Test. I'm going to try this new brand of detergent out. Use something up. Finish the supply. The kids used all of the toothpaste up, so we need to buy some more. Warm somebody some or something up. Increase the temperature. You can warm your feet up in the front of the fireplace. Warm up. Prepare body for exercise. I always warm up by doing sit-ups before I go for a run. Wear off. Fade away. Most of my makeup wore off before I got to the party. Work out, exercise. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. Work out, be successful. Our plan worked out fine. Work something out. Make a calculation. We have to work out the total cost before we buy the house.